When the main breaker turn on, the red lamp automatically on. Motor still off. Pressing push button 1, the first green lamp and motor on. And when it releasing, the green lamp and motor are still on. Then pressing push button 3, the first red lamp on, the motor turn off. Next, pressing push button 2, the second green lamp turn on and motor also turn on. Last, press push button 4, the second red lamp turn on, then motor turn off.